Hey besties, my name is Titi and welcome back to my channel. And if today is your first time of stopping by, then you're welcome to the family. So guys, I'm back with another video. Yes, look at my hair. Like, look at her. Oh my goodness. How do I look? I'm sure I'm looking like one 16 years old girl. Yes guys, I'm 16 years. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your headband wig, like different styles. I think I got about 6 styles with this, so I'm so happy to be sharing this with you guys. And also I'm going to reveal my secret to you guys. As you guys know, my edges are very thin, but look at how they're looking full. Like God has blessed me with very full edges. Yes, so in this video I'm going to share all of these tips and tricks with you guys. But before we go any further in this tutorial, guys, I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you out there that have been supporting me, sharing my videos, sharing my channel with your friend Worry, Rhoda, everybody, my sister. Thank you guys so much for your love. I really appreciate it. May God bless you. May you perfect all that concerns you in the name of Jesus. Like, thank you everyone. I can't mention everybody's name, but thank you guys so very much. I really appreciate it. I just hit 100 subscribers now and I'm so excited, guys. So let me not delay you guys any further. Let's just jump into this video. Okay guys, so this is my secret Lotta Body Control Me Edge Gel in black. Okay, and yes, that's the secret to my edge is always looking full. The edge control doesn't lay the hair for long, so I always use got to be gel to keep it in place. At least that can last me for a whole day. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is short, so I do not need to braid it down. I do not need to use wig cap. So if you have long hair, you should use your, put your hair in a low ponytail and use your wig cap, to press the hair down. You don't want bulky looking headband wig. Okay, so to make my baby hair, I'm just making a swoop, like using one of my fingers to hold the hair in place while I make my swoop. And I'm using edge control. So right now I'm using the gel. That's to show you guys without the edge control, my edges are still going to be looking thin like they are. So we have to fake it. Okay, you have to fake the full edges with the edge control, the black edge control. So alright guys, so just in case you don't have the black edge control or you can't get it around you, you can also use black gel, but I kind of like this edge control in black because it's highly pigmented. Yes, so and I got this from my local beauty supply, Cleo. That's the one closest one to me, and that's where I got it from. Just look at it, looking full, like Jesus has blessed me with full edges. Okay guys, so we're done. If you don't have the time to make baby hair, you don't have to make baby hair. You can wear your headband wig without laying your baby hair. You just push the band to the front up to your hairline and you're good to go. And that's just me showing you guys how the headband wig is looking. If you want to see a video of me making this wig using needle and thread, please check it out on my channel. Okay, yes, so I'm just using the comb to hook it in place, and I actually did make this one using needle and thread, so because I realized most of my subscribers don't even have a sewing machine. I've done one with a sewing machine before, but yes, I made this with needle and thread just for you guys. Okay, so make sure you check that out. So the first style is just to wear your headband wig, no extra headband, and you're good to go. Like, look at her, she's looking gorgeous. By the way guys, I do have this hair available on pre-order. If you want, please head over to my website. It's www.madamtiticollection.com and you can get yours as well. Like, she's so gorgeous. This is called pixie curls. So yeah, and you can even add any headband of your choice, to match with your clothes. And you're good to go. So the second style is going to be half up, half down, and you're just going to section out some part of the hair. Use your rubber band to hold it in place, and yes, and you drop the hair. Okay guys, let me know which one is your favorite among the styles. I'm going to tell you guys my favorite soon. Okay, like I love all of them, but yeah, I think I love about 2 or 3 more. So yes, look at that, look at that, look at that. So guys, you can just go about your day like this without any stress. In less than 2 minutes, like, you're done. Go out and have fun, go to work, go do something, like, you know. Yes, and that's just me taking picture, you know, feeling myself. And that headband is from Turban and Ancestry, the white one, and this pink one is from Dollarama. Yes, for just $1.25, guys. Yes, guys, you need to check Dollarama out. You know, they got some nice accessories that you can just use to slay. Like, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars, you know, to buy some things. You know, for me, anyway, I see something I like, I pick it up. As long as I like it, doesn't matter what brand or where. Yes, so yes, and that's it. So the second style is going to be bun. So I'm just gonna add bun to that. You know, that's just, I'm just gonna kind of twist the hair and wrap it. Okay, use rubber band to hold it in place, and this has got to be my favorite style, especially when I use one of the headband I got from Turban and Ancestry. Like, oh, I was just looking like a queen. Like, oh my goodness, give me my crown. Yeah, this is actually one of my favorite styles so far. Like, I love this one. It's so cute. I love it. Yeah, and that's me, you know, arranging my boobs, my sagging boobs, you know. If I hear pim, and this headband is from Turban and Ancestry as well. Like, I got a couple of them from her as well. So yes, and now I'm going to do another style. So this one is just me kind of trying to it's long, and if you don't want that, you know, sometimes you don't want long hair, and you know, you just don't want anything disturbing your neck or something. So I'm just gonna pack it up, like pack it up on one side, and this is actually one of my favorite as well, like my second favorite actually. Yes, look at that, like, look at that. I love this one too. And why is that rubber band hanging there? Oh, I love this one. Oh my goodness, guys, let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, and there she is taking selfie. Oh god, oh god, oh my goodness. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, look at her feeling herself. Oh, wow, wow. Okay guys, let me stop playing with you. Okay, so moving on, which one is going to be the next style? Yeah, let's see. So this one, I want everything up, like I'm packing all the hair to the front and I'm going to drop it, so it's just gonna look like a short hair, like one length, you can see. So all the long hairs are not visible anymore. That's because I packed the hair all the way to the front. You see, look at how they're looking like they're just one length. Yes, so that's another way to style your long wig. You know, if you don't want them looking long anymore, like you want them appearing short, just pack everything to the front. And yes, I love this one too. And of course, I'm going to add my headband wig. Like, you know, I need to give the hair some character. Like, You know, oh my goodness, look at this girl. Oh, Asanwa. Hey, Jesus. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling myself like, okay, guys, so the next style is going to be low ponytail, like low ponytail. All right, guys, so while I'm working on the hair, I'm only using water to define the curls, okay? But I do have another video showing you guys the product I use to keep my curls in place, you know, so make sure you check that video out. Yes. And the last style is ponytail, low ponytail. Like, I like this one too, you know, when you just don't want stress, you just want to be looking like auntie, you know. Oh my goodness, look at this girl. Like, she's so cute, and that's me arranging my boobs. Like, you know, I'm a mom, okay? If you don't know, I'm a mom. So if I hear him about my sagging boobs, don't let me hear him. Oh my goodness. So you can even wear your hat and go about your day and you still look good. So guys, please leave me a comment, okay? Don't watch my videos without leaving a comment, without giving me a thumbs up, please. The engagement on my channel is gonna help YouTube recommend my videos to others. So please, I'm begging you to comment, okay? Just say something nice to me, you know. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys in comment section, okay? Let this comment section be lit. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch some nice pictures I took, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.